Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how you can get free shims and gold on Dragon City. So as you can see right now, I only have 8 shims and a bit more than 4,000 gold. So today I'm gonna show you how you can get thousands for free. For that, we'll go to a site called dgcityhack.info, as you can see it on the domain bar. Once you're here, the first step is entering your username. In my case, it is Pachuok. Let me focus my screen a bit more. Right, there we are. Then select the platform. I'm gonna leave it on Android because that's what I'm using right now. Here, select the amount of gold. I'm gonna add 100,000 gold. And the same for the shims. Make sure to tap on the proxy and invisibility. It is gonna keep us safer. And press on start. It doesn't matter the server, so just wait until the process finishes. It doesn't take too long, but anyways, be patient because we are saving a lot of money getting 100,000 shims for free. Here, press on verify now, and you're gonna be taken to a separate page where you have to download 2 apps and run them for at least 30 seconds. Once you do that, you will get the shims and gold released on your account. For the first app, I'm gonna install Pop Slots. Now I'm gonna be taken to the Play Store. I'm gonna download this app and I will be back once it's been installed. Once the app is ready to be used, just open it and let it run for at least 30 seconds. Make sure to tap on the screen because you have to interact with the app, otherwise this isn't gonna work. So I will do that and I will be back in a moment. Alright, so it's been a bit more than 30 seconds since I opened this app, so we can already close it and go back to download the second one. Which in my case is gonna be Castle Clash. So just as before, I'm gonna be taken to the Play Store, I'm gonna download the app and it will be back once it's been installed. Alright, so the second app is ready to be used. Open it and repeat the same that you did to the first app. Keep it running for 30 seconds or more, make sure to tap on the screen, and that's it. I will be back once the time has passed. Okay guys, it's been a bit more than 30 seconds on this app, so once you finish with the 2 apps, just as we did here, you can go back to your Dragon City account and you should be receiving the shims and gold a few seconds after you open the app again. So let's check it out. Pay attention to my shims and gold, and there we are. We are receiving 100,000 shims and gold in real time. This worked perfectly, we saved a lot of money and we did everything in less than 5 minutes. So guys, if you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, share it with your friends. Anything will help me a lot to keep growing my channel and keep making this kind of content. Thanks for watching and see you soon with more videos for game hacks. Bye.